dear students. Good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online EVS class. Yesterday, we started lesson number 7, Ria's train got late. Today, we will proceed further and see that did Ria and her family reach Vapi? What experiences they gained by the train journey? Was the train journey tiring or exciting? After level crossing, the train was moving further towards Narmada Bridge. Ria was sitting near the window with her eyes closed. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changed from chuk 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 to kud 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 kud. She opened her eyes and started watching outside through the window. Guess what did she see? She saw that a train was crossing Narmada river through a long bridge. Her mother said that Narmada is the biggest river of Gujarat and its water is given to faraway areas through canal. Children, do you know Narmada river is also called as Reva and it is the lifeline of Gujarat. Do you know why? Because its water is given to many areas of Gujarat. After some time, another two bridges were seen. Small vehicles were passing through it. Father said that the first bridge is called the Golden Bridge. The Golden Bridge is also called as Narmada Bridge since it is built over river Narmada. The Golden Bridge is the longest bridge in Gujarat. It is also a very old and strong bridge. The Golden Bridge connects Ankleshwar to Bharuch. The second bridge is also built over Narmada river. It is called as the biggest cable bridge of India. Though it was summer season, but still the Narmada river was full of water. Through the window, Ria saw some fishermen sailing in their boats across Narmada river and spreading their nets to catch fishes. Ria's train was crossing a long bridge built over Narmada river. She was enjoying a lot seeing the surroundings. That time her father said that when Ria and Himaksh were sleeping, their train passed through the Sabarmati river bridge, Vatrak river bridge, Mahisagar river bridge and Vishwamitri river bridge. And now bridge built over Tapi river near Surat will come. Children, do you know where is Sabarmati river bridge? Sabarmati river bridge is in Ahmedabad. Vatrak river bridge is in Kheda, built over Vatrak river. The Vatrak river is the tributary of the Sabarmati river. Then Mahisagar river bridge is situated in Padra, Vadodara. Vishwamitri bridge is an old bridge built on river Vishwamitri. This bridge is situated in Vadodara city, and Tapi river bridge is near Surat city. After crossing through the long bridge on Narmada river, the train passed through the fields full of green crops. Riya was very delighted and excited to see the scenes outside the window. In some fields, there was farming of bananas. Even green trees were seen all around. Due to greenery, a cool breeze blew even in the summer season. Then Riya's mama called on her mother's mobile. Riya's mama was coming to the railway station to pick them up. So her mother informed her mama that their train was 2 hours late. So they will reach Vapi at 10:25 am instead of 8:25 am. Riya's train was passing through a big city. On both sides of the railway tracks, big buildings and markets were seen. Father informed them that they were nearing the Surat railway station. Children, do you know? Ahmedabad is the biggest city, while Surat is the second biggest city of Gujarat. Surat is famous for diamond and textile business. At 9 am, the train stopped at Surat station. The station was crowded with passengers. Here, people wearing different types of dresses were seen. Even some people's language was different. So, Riya's father said that people of different states have settled in Surat for business purpose. So, there is diversity in their dresses and language. Surat's famous sweet is Suttarfeni and Ghari. Riya's father purchased both these sweets. The train halted for 5 minutes at Surat station and then started. Father guided them by saying that they will reach Vapi within an hour. First, Navsari and Valsad stations will arrive, and then finally Vapi station will arrive. So, Riya's mother informed Riya's mama that their train will be reaching Vapi station within an hour. Himax and Riya were very excited that finally they will reach their destination, that is Vapi station, after some time. Riya's mama called and informed that they had reached Vapi station to pick them up. So finally at 10:25 am On 29th May, Riya and her family reached Vapi. The train journey was very long, of more than 13 hours, starting at 8:55 p.m. on 28th May and ending at 10:25 a.m. on 29th May. But still, both Riya and Himaksh enjoyed the train journey. Now next time we will study some exercises of this lesson. Thank you. Take care.